Hi, Betty Lamar. We're live here at the Double Deuce on Bill Street. And I have with me one of the good old girls and actually one of the good old boys here with us too. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And I'm sure you all remember her from our last production when we had the cocktail pool party. Rosalind is the administrator for the Good Old Girls Network. With you.
Well, this is my good old boy, my husband, Alex Nichols.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Betty. How you doing?
Fine. The last time I saw you, you volunteered to bartend for us, and we appreciate that.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I enjoyed it every bit. I enjoyed your production and everything.
Well, thank you. So, Rosalind, how did you get involved again with the Good Old Girls?
Well, I met with you at work, and we were talking about the Good Old Girls Network and how women need something to get together and just kind of have fun and just party, and just be good old girls. We had the good old boys, so we need the good old girls, too.
So, I feel so honored to have an administrator for the Good Old Girls Network. And if you would like to become one of the Good Old Girls, you can email us at thegirlsnightout@comcast.net. Love you. Bless you. We'll be back with more Good Old Girls.
Bye-bye.
Bye.